Okay, so just a quick video for you guys today. You guys know I'm into detailing stuff. So in this video, we're gonna be testing out the cheap $16 Amazon foam cannon against the Pf22.2, which is $90, I think retail, but with shipping comes out to about 100 bucks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill this up with Adam's car shampoo, the standard blue shampoo, with about, I don't know, about 100 milliliters in each bottle. Fill it up about halfway, and that should give us a good basis on how both of these perform. So these also have the same size orifice in there, so just to mitigate any variables out there. And we're gonna be using a GOPRO 2000 PSI rated pressure washer. So here we go. All right, so I filled it up with about 100 milliliters in the Amazon foam gun, and it's kind of hard. This is my first time using a Pf22.2. It's kind of hard to measure out 100 milliliters since the bottom is so thick. All right, we're gonna give the car a quick rinse. So first up, we're gonna test the Amazon foam cannon. So I have it already filled up with warm water, 1,000 milliliters of water, and about 100 milliliters of product. So I'm gonna do the right side with the Amazon foam cannon, and we'll do the left side with the Pf22.2. Yeah, it looks a little runny, doesn't it? But keep in mind I am using a cheap pressure washer. So now Pf22.2. Let me go on this side. Oh yeah, much thicker foam. Look at that. It's not even a comparison. This is why you pay the extra money. Look at that. Yes. Oh my Lord, that is so much better. Yeah, it's not even a comparison. This is why you pay the extra money. You're gonna get better results with the Pf22. Granted, keep in mind, I am using a cheap pressure washer. Now, if you had a more expensive, a higher flowing, or one with a higher pressure, you're gonna get better results. Is it worth it to you? That's something only you can decide. Hopefully, this video helped you out in your buying decisions. Well, anyways, that's it. Quick video for you guys today, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.